Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's look I'll show you this very nice, classic, simple look with red lips and warm tone colors and the classic black liner. It is a look very wearable for you my friends, matching to almost 100% of the skin tones. You can wear it in the whole seasons and in all the weather. So my friends, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my Cyan Eyebrow Styler 11 Medium Brown. Then I have sculpted them up with my Usa's Liquid Concealer in the shade Fair. I have prepared my lids with the same concealer and then I have set up my lids with my Kylie Girl to Color Powder Cake, and this is it. And now I'm ready to move on to the rest of the face, to my shadows. In this look, my friends, I will do for you a very nice, classic, simple look. So I will use only my bronzer, my MUA Bronzed Perfection, and this is it. This is my bronzer and the classic red lipstick. Going to apply my bronzer with this fluffy big brush by Cosmofan number 113, taking the whole product, dusting off the excess and starting from the inner part of the lid to the outer corner and applying the whole product. It is a look, classic simple look, wearable look, matching to almost 100% of you people, with classic colors, brown, black, classic eyeliner and classic red lipstick. And I think that look, for me of course, that look I can wear it everywhere and every time of the day. I really use and wear that look and in my real life, not only in my channel. So I start from the inner part of the lid, I apply it on the inner corner, and then I apply it on the whole lid. Beautiful look. You can use only your bronzer. Only your bronzer. I'm doing to the other eye the same. I prefer the bronzer must be in brown colors like this is, because there are some bronzer very orange. I don't like them, I don't prefer them, the orange bronzers. Bronzers that they are getting red. Choose a bronzer in warm brown tone colors. Applying this and from the inner part of the lid to the outer part and of course on the whole lid. And over that I will apply a little bronzer, and this is the bronzer which is by Wet n Wild Palm Beach Red. This is a very nice brown bronzer but with a little brilliance, sparkle. I really love this bronzer. When you want to apply a sparkle product like this is, under that you have to apply a matte eyeshadow or a matte bronzer, and then over the eyeshadow this apply and the bronzer that it is more shiny. And if you want, leave it with your matte product, anything you want. But because this is summer when we are tanned, the brilliant bronzer, the shiny product, gives some more nicer touch, beautiful touch in your eyes. Well, the next step is to have some coffee while I work, because I need that. The next classic step, as I always do, is the liner. Maybelline New York Hyper Precise All Day Matte Liquid Liner. This is my black classic favorite liner that I'm gonna use. Sometimes in this look you can use and a brown liner, but I want this time my black liner. My eyeliner is ready and I'm going to move on to the rest of the face. False lashes. In this case I will use these lashes which are 6D. Of course taking my lash curler to do my natural lashes. And I will apply before that my mascara, black mascara, always black mascara when you want to wear lashes that they are false. Applying some coats, 2-3 coats, and we are leaving them to get dry. And never apply mascara on the false lashes. Apply our mascara before the false lashes on our natural. We leave them about 2-3 minutes to get dry and then we apply our false lash. I'll leave them about 2-3 minutes to get dry and I'm going to wear my false lash off camera, my friends, and coming back. My lashes are ready and now moving on to the rest of the face. Primer. Maybelline Face Tooth Prime Protecting Primer. Hydrating moisturizing for me that I have a dry skin. For you, if you have a very oily skin, apply a more mattifying primer. I choose the primer that it is very hydrating because I have a dry skin. Applying it with my fingers on the whole face and down on the neck. Of course, continuing. In this case, I will wear my foundation which is Dust and Cream, a creamy foundation 03 Honey. This is my foundation for today that I'm gonna apply with my kabuki brush. Beautiful foundation, very summery. I really love this beautiful creamy foundation. I'll continue with my Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi Concealer 08 Buff. I'm applying it on the inner part of the lid, on the outer corner, of course, on the bridge of the nose, on the mustache area and on the chin area, and 2 lines in the mouth as a mini lift. And this product, of course, applying and blending it well with my beauty blender. Of course, I will take my, before that, I will take my MUA Bronze, Cream Bronze Perfection and my kabuki brush. I will do some contouring. And of course applying the product with my beauty blender to soft the whole product. Continuing with my MUA liquid blush in the shade Watermelon. And this type of brush, taking the product and applying directly onto the cheeks. Applying the whole product, which is a little intense, but I'm gonna fix it right away. Don't be afraid of that. And some on the nose. Applying that with the beauty blender, and it's gonna be very, very okay. And of course, continuing with my glitter padding highlighter, which is a rose gold highlight, which I'm gonna take with my middle finger. And I will continue to apply it with my beauty blender. To soft the whole product, to apply it beautifully and nicely. And now after that, I'm gonna take my loose powder to apply. I will do a mini bag. I apply some product under my eyes. I leave it for 2 or 3 minutes under the contouring area to clean this type of area on the chin and between the brows on the forehead. I will leave the product about 2 or 3 minutes, and now I'm going to continue with my Wet n Wild contouring palette Caramel Toffee over the other liquid product on the forehead, on the same point, on the jawline, and on the nose. We start from the inner part of the brow and we pull 2 straight lines down onto the nose. As you see, 2 straight lines onto the lowest point of the nose. This is the contouring of the nose. Coffee while I need that. Continue with my Elegance palette, and I will take these two, which are very nice pink blushes over the other blush, and on the nose, and from the same palette the highlighter, which is a cool tone highlighter. Applying this with my finger and between the brows and here and on the lips. I'm going to take off all the excess of the powder. It is enough. I think I have left it about 2 minutes. Taking my powder to set up the whole face, not the under eye area, with the compact powder. Just setting the whole face with your compact. Under the eye area, only powder that it is loose, transparent, loose powder. And on my opinion, of course, I prefer the transparent loose powders. And the bananas are okay, but to tell you the truth, the banana color matches more to the skin, that they are more color than me. We, that they are more light, prefer the translucent powders. Yes. Taking my bronzer to end up with my under eye area, I'm applying the same bronzer on the under eye area. I will use a black liner for the waterline area, of course. In this case, only black liner. A highlighter under the brow bone area, a champagne highlighter, champagne color, and on the inner part some of that, just a few, not much. And of course, 1 coat of mascara on the bottom eyes, bottom lash, only 1 coat, not much. I like to insist on the waterline with my black liner. And the last very important step, our lips. Elixir 053 Classic Red lip liner. Wet and Wild 911 Top Light Red, Classic Red, black, not black, classic red like the blood. It is a classic red, not the orange red. In this case we need this, like the blood color. And of course the last step, makeup fixing spray. The makeup fixing spray, we apply it from some distance, about this, about 20-25 centimeters, not very close. Well, my friends, this is the complete finished look for you. It is the classic, simple look that it is wearable for all of you. So my friends, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you friends!